Take the left cord, loop it over itself. Take this cord, put it through that opening, and now pull that cord nice and snug. So this cord is now the cord that was over here. Take it and loop it over top of itself. Take this other cord through the loop and pull. I make sure it's nice and snug before I do the next one. This will help make your spiral knots even. Take the cord again, over itself, this cord through the opening, and pull up. Again, tightening. You want this cord to be 7 or 8 times as long as this cord. That of course also depends on the cord thickness. I'm using 5mm twisted cord, so that's what I'm finding I need for this cord. So my long cord has now shifted to the left side. For the next knot, lift this cord, bring the long cord behind to the other side, and now do the same thing. The longer cord is on the left again. If you want to leave it on the left to do the knot, wrap it over itself like we've been doing. Take the short cord and make sure you come at it from the left and then down through the loop. I'm moving it to the other side because I like that better. I'm always tightening and then pushing up after every knot I do. Tighten, push. That's how you get these nice, evenly spaced spirals. Take the left cord over the right cord, around the back, and up through the opening. Pull that to the top. Take the right cord over the left cord, around the back, and up through the opening. Keep repeating that. Left over right, right over left. The alternating half hitch knot.